Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix CS2 crashing on after the new update. It's quite easy to fix, so let me show you how. What you need to do here is quite simple. So let me just first quickly end CS2, and then what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager, and on Task Manager you should see a Faceit AC. Just end the tasks and just end Faceit and Faceit anti-cheat. So end all the tasks related to Faceit anti-cheat should be no on the task manager and on system tray. And now if you press play, it now should be working. It's always after the new update, Faceit AAC and Faceit app crashes the CS2. So let's wait for a couple of seconds until the game loads up, and you will see that this will work. You can see here now it's loading up. We need to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see here, the game loads up. So close Faceit AC and Faceit app and you will be good.